Alright. Huh?
It's a lot lower.
Alright. Alright. We're riding the CBR 650R. Kai is on my R7. I've rode this thing once. What the hell? This feels like an R3.
Yeah, it's really like a lot of it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. It sounds like it's cammed. Oh my lord, dude. This thing is so loud. So loud.
No.
Oh, this feels so weird. Oh, that quick shifter is rubbish. Damn. That is insane, dude. I'm like lost for words, dude. If I get pulled over in this thing, I swear to God. Oh my gosh. Like the pops and bangs from this thing is crazy. That's insane. This exhaust is like 100% illegal, dude. Oh, dude. Right, of course we're going into town where there's like a bunch of cops. Dude. Oh, that's insane. What's up, bruh? Alright, we got what? How many people have we got? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 people. Some of the stunt guys. Yeah, so we're gonna go for a we're gonna go for a wee ride up around the hills, and then we're gonna go take photos with Hot, yeah, and we're gonna go take photos with Santa Claus. And here we go. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh my! Oh my gosh! Holy shit! Oh my god. Yeah, I will not be surprised if we get pulled over, because there is a slight bit of reckless driving going on. That thing sounds insane. Holy shit, man. Giggity, giggity. Right, that was so close, dude. That was so close. I have autism, dude. Omar, what are you doing? What? The ladies are... Fuck me! Jesus. Yeah. Let's go. Thank you, sir. Oh fuck, I have to, right?